Welcome back everyone. So आज हामी Neighbours short story पढ्न गइरहेका छौं, written by Tim Vinton. So the story is about a young couple who moves to a suburb neighborhood in Australia. So basically they are also migrants and they move to a different neighborhood. पहिला तिनीहरु जुन ठाउँमा बसिरहेका हुन्थ्यो त्यो नेबरहरुसँग they were not satisfied and they had a very bad experience. त्यही भएर यो नेबरहुडमा मुभ इन गर्दा पनि तिनीहरुसँग धेरै डाउट्स थियो and they were like not sure about moving in, and the neighborhood was filled with European migrants. तिनीहरुको एउटा नेबर चाहिँ Macedonian family थियो भने अर्को was from Poland. So the couple felt a bit uneasy in the cultural difference, and obviously Europeans are culture different, tradition are different, so they also have a language barrier. Soon after that, they realized that they felt that the Macedonian family and the Polish man was very disturbing and kind of noisy. So they didn't like them and they lived like this for like months. They were not talking to each other and they were not communicating. त्यसपछि चाहिँ Macedonian family also found this shocking किनभने the young couple used to wake up late and Macedonian families were like the early birds kind of. So they were even shocked to see that. In autumn, the young couples were planting vegetables in their backyard when a lady approached them and she decided to advise them about the spacing and mulching. She also gave a bag full of garlics to the young couple, and that's how they started talking to each other. After this, sooner the young couple built a hen house for themselves, but then the hen house fell actually and it broke. So त्यो जुन Polish man थियो त्यसले चाहिँ त्यो hen house लाई rebuild गर्नमा help गरेको थियो त्यो young couple को. दो तिनीहरुको कुरा भइरा थिएन because तिनीहरुको language different थियो, तर पनि they communicated through their expressions and that's how they got together. त्यसपछि चाहिँ the young couple started getting more familiar to all the neighborhoods अनि सबजनासँग बोल्न थाल्यो अनि त्यसपछि तिनीहरुले गिफ्ट्सहरु पनि एक्सचेन्ज गर्न थाल्यो. They started celebrating together, and after that soon the wife realized that she was pregnant, though the couple hadn't planned anything like this अनि तिनीहरुले सोचेको थिएन, तर पनि it was a surprise for them as well. अनि they were happy. The wife took leave from her work and then she was ready to be a mother and she was trying, and after that the whole neighborhood also found that out कि the wife is pregnant. So they used to treat her very well अनि तिनीहरुले चाहिँ chocolate, clothes, धेरै गिफ्ट दिने गर्थ्यो वाइफलाई, and they used to support her. A Greek woman also said that she's gonna have a baby boy looking at the belly, and the wife was really happy listening to this. On the Labor Day, she actually had a baby boy and the young couples were really happy. And when the guy looked out, he saw the whole entire neighborhood cheering up for them and supporting them. So यो सोचेर चाहिँ तिनीहरुलाई खुसी लाग्यो कि in the very starting तिनीहरुलाई लागेको थियो that they won't be able to adjust in the neighborhood because there were different people from different culture and tradition, but at the end तिनीहरुको support हेरेर and the love they gave त्यो सब हेरेर चाहिँ the couple were really happy, and that's it for this story. Thank you.